Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a tin fish sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of your favorite tin fish, like sardines or mackerel, ensuring it's packed in oil or water. Next, grab 2 slices of fresh, crusty bread, perhaps a sourdough or a hearty whole wheat. Don't forget a few key condiments and fresh additions to elevate the flavors. This simple preparation ensures a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare the star of our sandwich. Carefully open your can of fish and drain it well, removing any excess oil or water. Transfer the fish to a small bowl and gently flake it apart with a fork. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your fish mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast your 2 slices of bread to achieve a perfect golden crispness. While still warm, spread a thin layer of butter or your favorite condiment, like Dijon mustard, on one side of each slice. Now, generously spoon the prepared tin fish mixture onto 1 slice of bread, spreading it evenly to the edges. This creates a solid foundation for flavor. To finish, add your favorite fresh toppings. Sliced pickles, crisp red onion, or even a few capers can add a wonderful tang and texture. Place the second slice of bread on top, gently press down, and then slice your sandwich diagonally for an appealing presentation and easier eating. Serve immediately and savor every bite of this incredibly simple, yet satisfying, tin fish sandwich. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.